Hi, Todd Ward here in the Forecast Center with an update on our weather here across the ArkLaTex for the rest of this election day, the rest of this week, and all of next week. You can see we do still have quite a few clouds over the eastern half of the ArkLaTex early this afternoon, still cloudy in Shreveport, but notice the sunshine emerging further west, lots of sun in Marshall, and it is a bit cooler. Temperatures over most of the ArkLaTex in the 60s still, and we will struggle to make it far into the 70s for highs. We have seen a decent amount of rain. Here's a look at today. In other words, 48-hour rainfall totals as estimated by radar, and you can see we have seen those amounts of 1 to over 3 inches during the past 48 hours over the northern sections of the ArkLaTex. Amounts over East Texas rather high in that 1 to 3 inch range. You can see not as much northwest Louisiana with totals much of the area half an inch to about 1.5 inches, and we have seen pockets where amounts have been below a ½ inch here in the last couple of days. Now, as far as what's ahead, we are watching the next upper level disturbance, which is going to swing around and give us our next chance of rain probably as we look ahead to the end of the week. Also notice the eastern Gulf of Mexico. This would be Rafael, which very well could be a hurricane, and I'll talk more about that in a second, but it looks like that we will not see that impact us as this upper level low will move to the Midwest here as we move into the weekend. Best chance of rain probably going to be Friday night. We'll take a pause in the rain for a few days, and then another system will give us a shot for some showers and thunderstorms sometime during the middle part of next week. And then we'll see a little bit cooler air briefly make its way back into the area towards the end of next week. So let's take a look at the next few days here with Futurecast, and you can see that tonight. Still a possibility for that stray shower over the eastern edge of the area, but it likely will come to an end as we will see a mostly clear sky northwest, but quite a few lingering clouds over the southeast. Expect a mix of clouds and sunshine across the ArkLaTex tomorrow as we stay dry. Tomorrow night, we'll see the clouds thicken up all across the area. Very small chance for a shower, and we'll see that slight chance for the scattered shower continue on Thursday as well under a mostly cloudy sky. So drier for the next couple of days, a little bit of sunshine tomorrow, and then we'll see more clouds return for Thursday in advance of that next disturbance. You can see all the rain to our north and west here of Thursday night to Friday morning. Again, that will arrive here more than likely late Friday night into Saturday. Again, we are now watching Tropical Storm Rafael, which is a rather strong tropical storm. Max winds at 60 miles per hour as of this recording. It is forecast to become a hurricane during the next 12 hours or so, move across Cuba into the Gulf of Mexico, and there's some doubt as to exactly where it will end up going. Most models, as you can see here, do send it into southeast Louisiana late this weekend. There is a possibility that we could see this continue to work its way towards the west and then kind of die somewhere here across the western Gulf of Mexico. That is a possibility as well, but the majority of the models, as you can see here, do send it into the northern Gulf Coast. This probably will not play a role in the weather here in the ArkLaTex. As you know, most of the heavier rains occur on the right side of the storm, so it will be, for the most part, to the east of our area late this weekend and early next week, but it is definitely something worth watching. In the meantime, tonight we'll stay mostly cloudy over most of the area. Any rain likely will come to an end as we'll see lows where we see fewer clouds tonight in the 40s, 46 tonight in DeQueen, 50 in Texarkana, but 58 degrees for the low temperature in Shreveport. Tomorrow we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine, not much rain, if anything, a very small chance over the eastern edge of the ArkLaTex, as highs will mainly be in the low to middle 70s. That includes 72 degrees in Texarkana and 75 degrees tomorrow in Shreveport. And your 10-day forecast shows a pretty good chance for some rain late Friday, especially Friday night, lingering into Saturday. Small chance for some rain Sunday. Again, we'll be watching Rafael very closely late this weekend. And then we'll dry out for Veterans Day and Tuesday. Another pretty good chance for some showers and maybe some thunderstorms next Tuesday night into Wednesday. And there's that cooler air, which will move in behind that last front. Highs will dip into the 60s and lows into the 40s by the end of next week. So it looks like a little bit of a break from the rain here for most of the next couple of days before a pretty good shot for some rain to begin the weekend, and another shot as we look ahead to the middle of next week.